Hi, I have a Bosch dishwasher. It's about 3 years old and it is not draining. Well, sometimes it'll drain, but usually it finishes the cycle and there's still water on the bottom. I watched some other troubleshooting videos and they take out the filter and pull out this screen, and then they remove this little piece of plastic. And on mine, you can see how it's, see if I can get it in focus, it's kind of rough. It shows that something's been kind of chunking around in there. There's also a little check valve here, if I can get it out. It can go in forward or backward, it doesn't matter. It's bi-directional. And in my case, even after taking out the little valve and feeling around, I couldn't find any debris. But it wasn't unusual for the dishwasher to kind of make a grinding sound. And I can see a little bit of wear on the impeller. So what I did is I pulled the dishwasher out, and here on the side, this little pipe was just right here originally. This is the pipe that comes out of the wash chamber, and the water comes around, then goes over to the under the sink into the garbage disposal. And I disconnected this this pipe. It just comes off with a little bit of wiggling. And when the dishwasher is on, I use this little rod right here. If I pull it up, the impeller will turn on and water will be forced out. And that cleaned out the drain pipe, and I found just a small piece of glass. And that was what was causing all my issues. Now I'll show how to force water through the dishwasher.
One go.
Okay, I'm going to leave the check valve out for right now, but I do need to install this little piece of plastic again. Pops right in. Seems like it's pretty good engineering. Then I'll put the screw in. This is just a Torx screw. I'll just hand tighten it. It only has to be on here for a moment. Now I'm going to turn the dishwasher on. Okay, it goes right into its wash cycle. Pour this water out. And I'm going to hold this pipe down in here, and I'm going to pull up this little red rod, and that's going to activate the drain pump. And see the water rushing through there, and that, in my case, pulled out the pieces of glass and a little bit of other debris.
It's gonna overflow.
All right. Hopefully that'll help you solve your Bosch dishwasher not draining because a glass or something broke inside the dishwasher.